Hi, my name is Rocky Hardens, here to promote our new movie, The States of Matter. A movie that will take you on an adventure as the supervillain Plasman takes on the solid, liquid, and gas, who will be portrayed by the actors Walter Sprite, Ray Donald, John Smith, and myself, Rocky Hardens. And afterwards, stay tuned for a sneak peek trailer exclusively for you guys. I'm Rocky Hardens.
And I'm Walter Sprite.
And I'm Ray Donald.
And we play the superheroes in the new movie. And we play the superheroes in the new movie, The States of Matter.
So, Mr. Hardens, what is your superpower?
My superpower is that I'm able to resist heat. This is partly due to my high melting point. I also have super strength. This is due to the amount of bonds that I have within me.
My character of Liquid Luck as the liquid character in our movie, and the gas character as the Cloud as the gas character in our movie, they both have the ability as fluids to flow. However, the liquid character, unlike the gas character, has a definite volume. Also, my character has the ability to diffuse and mix in well with others until he is utterly undetectable. He also has the ability to exhibit surface tension, in which he can pull adjacent parts of the liquid surface in order to reduce the surface area, thus making him smaller without making him smaller.
My name is Dr. Plasman, and my real name is John Smith, and I play the part of Plasman in the movie States of Matter. And so in States of Matter, what I do is I'm the Plasman, which means I represent plasma. And what plasma is plasma is one of the states of matter, and plasma is very energetic. What plasma does is it likes to go all over the place, because what plasma is a gas.
My superpower is that I will expand to fill any room or container I'm placed in. My molecules are spread far apart enough that I will not be damaged by any projectiles, and I can expand and contract based on temperature. Now, the other states of matter do this, but I do this a little bit more, so that makes me special. So what is your character's personality like?
My character's personality is that he's very sluggish. This is partly due to the low state of energy that he's in, which doesn't allow him to overcome the intermolecular forces, which are hydrogen bonding, dipole-dipole, and London dispersion. These forces of attraction don't allow the molecules to move around freely and put them in fixed positions.
Well, I would say that my character of Liquid Luck is a pretty much go with the flow kind of guy. With his cleverness, is able to get out of fairly slippery situations. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Extremely energized and has lots of energy, so really what it means is that it's all over the place and it's frazzled. And that really relates to me in real life, because I am frazzled in real life as well. I'm just all over the place and I need coffee to keep me going all the time. What I like to do is I like to play games, and I like to play board games. I also like to play Monopoly, but when I lose, I also really
So the Cloud, he has a skill for blending into any atmosphere. He diffuses well into environments that, say, others wouldn't be so used to. He's much less dense than the other two main protagonists, and he becomes less dense when the situation gets heated. What about you? Differentiates from the other three states of matter?
Well, I am a lot stronger.
Well, my liquid character is less stubborn and hard-headed than the solid character of Solid Steel, but not as carefree and free-flowing as the gas character of the Cloud in the movie. The liquid character has more energy than the solid, but less energy than the gas. These particles have so much energy now that they are not bound in fixed positions, but move around constantly. Because the liquid does not have as much energy as a gas, some intermolecular forces are still present, but they are significantly weaker than a gas.
So the main difference between myself and the Cloud is that he's more like an ideal gas. He doesn't suffer from any net loss of kinetic energy in something that's called elastic collisions, and that's honestly not what a real person like myself could be like. I'm more like a real gas because I'm imperfect. The Cloud, he is perfect, and it's kind of hard for any person to be like that. It's actually impossible.
with the common state of matter, what I do is I'm just the best because I'm all over the place and I'm the sun and I'm supernovas and I'm everywhere and I'm in the universe and nobody else is as important as me. So yeah, I'm Plasman.
In order to make the movie seem realistic, we have to know the exact temperature and pressure conditions that our characters could exist in. For this reason, we have to always consult our phase diagram, which is a graph of temperature versus pressure that shows the conditions where phases of a substance can exist. There are some important points on this graph. The triple point indicates the temperature and pressure conditions at which the solid, liquid, and vapor of a substance can coexist. So water can exist in all three states at 0.01 degrees Celsius and 0.006 atm. The critical temperature is a temperature where the substance cannot exist as a liquid. Water's critical temperature is 373.99 degrees Celsius, above which water can no longer be a liquid.
A heating curve is a graph that shows heat added versus temperature. The temperature remains constant when a phase change is occurring. Heat is added continuously, but the average amount of kinetic energy in a substance, or temperature, only increases when the H2O is all solid, all liquid, or all gas. The temperature doesn't increase during phase changes when there are two states of matter. The temperature only increases when the substance is converted to a single state.
You may have beaten my henchmen, but you still have to deal with me. I come, I see, I conquer. You will not get the best of me. I have the most common state of matter in the universe. You are nothing compared to me. I have legions, hordes. I come tomorrow.
That's funny. Yeah, funny, man. All right.